apparently my memory card only has so much space, so I put this blocking in. This was bowed pretty bad. Got to flip it over and nail it from the other side, check it corner to corner, and then the framing part's done. So this is where we're at. Get you guys signed off and talk to you in a bit. Alright, so now I gotta add my other trimmer and some studs above the door there. Alright guys, the wall's pretty much done except for I've got one more trimmer above above the door opening, which I think might be the one that falls on layout. And then I've got these pieces to add. I'm going to add them in. It's not necessary. Well, am I going to add those in? I don't know. We'll see. And then tomorrow, if it's not raining, corner measure this and I'll get it level so that I'm going to glue the outside sheets on with flooring adhesive. And the reason for that is it's going to be a door, so I want as much shear as possible. So I'm going to glue the outside sheets on, get my door in, get it hinged and hung, and then I'm actually going to end up also sheeting the inside with some like, I don't know, 3/8 OSB or something like that when I get all done. So for now, I'm going to sign off, get my tools cleaned up, and get out of here because it looks like it might rain. See you guys later.